Raila is a true son of his father. He has always championed greater causes than self. He fought for multipartyism and paid the price by spending 8 years in detention. He came out stronger to fight for more reforms, including a new constitution. And like his father, he also said Tosha in 2002 for the sake of our country. In 2018, he embraced handshake with President Uhuru Kenyatta, a handshake that itself transforming our politics and shaping our future today. I conclude in the hope that I have helped Kenyans to remember that Jaramogi said Tosha for Kenyatta in the 60s. Raila said Tosha for Mwai Kibaki in 2002. And the handshake with the President Uhuru in 2018 in itself is another Tosha for Raila to President Uhuru Kenyatta. So the other day, I was so happy to see President Uhuru saying some exciting words in Nakuru. Let's listen for a minute, for a second, our president carefully.
Uongozi uko hapa. Sio uongozi, sio mpira ya kuchezwa kwa kiwanja. Uongozi sio sprint, ni marathon. Wewe utakimbia hapa, by the time umefika pale pumzi imeisha, lakini mzee amekanyanga polepole akuja kupitia ukiwa bado kwa barabara.
Asante, President Kenyatta. Now, fellow Kenyans, guided by our simple truth, may I request you to join me in categorically declaring Raila Tosha for president in 2022. Thank you all.
Yeah.